So in this question here, I've got a circle and inside I've got some quadrilateral. Now, all I know about the quadrilateral is that the points P, Q, R, S touch the edge of the circle. And the angle, this one here, we're given as 4 times x plus 15 degrees. So that's our angle PSR, as given here. We've got PQR is 40 degrees less than PSR. So PQR is this one here. That one's less than 40 degrees less than this one. What is the value of x? So how are we going to go about finding that? Well, here we've got what's called a cyclic quadrilateral. So a cyclic quadrilateral, there's a couple of properties that we know about this shape. First of all, the sum of the angles is 360. So sum of all angles, all 4 angles, equals 360. So that's no big deal really, we know that of all quadrilaterals. But as it's a cyclic quadrilateral, it's got an interesting property. So opposite angles, if we're looking at that, so if we take this one here and this one here, and let's say I called that one angle A and this one angle B. So angle A, if that one is SPQ, and angle B equals SRQ, what I know is that the sum of those two angles, so A plus B, they are 180 degrees. So opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral sum to 180. So I can do the same here. So I can say that PSR plus PQR also equals 180 degrees. So if we use this property here, maybe we can get to our value of x. Well, PSR we know. So PSR is 4 times x plus 15 degrees. PQR, we don't know anything other than it's 40 degrees less than this one. So let's plug that one in. So 4 times x plus 15 degrees minus 40 equals 180 degrees. Okay, let's call that minus 40 degrees. Okay, well, let's simplify out the brackets because we've got 2 x's and no other variables, so maybe we can solve for our x. So let's see what happens. So 4 times x, 4x. 4 times 15, that's 60. And we've got, same again, 4x plus 15 in brackets, so we can rewrite that one again. And we've got a minus 40 degrees. And still equals 180 degrees. Okay, let's get the constant angles totaled up on this side and leave this one as it is at the moment. So 60 degrees plus 60 degrees is 120, minus 40, that's 80 degrees. So we've got plus 80 degrees, we're still 180 degrees on this side. Now we can get the two 4x's together and get 8x. Okay, well this is looking good now. I could just subtract 80 degrees from both sides and I'll get my 8x on its own. So 8x equals 100 degrees. Okay, well now just divide both sides by 8. So now x equals 100 over 8 degrees. So 100 divided by 8, that will give you 12.5. So therefore x equals 12.5. Well, it's not degrees, it's just 12.5. It's just a value of a variable. So x equals 12.5. And that'd be a good place to stop.